Okay, day number 2 of the Langtang, Valley Trek. I believe that's it. Alright, just arrived. We decided to stay at the Tibetan tea house here. It's costing us roughly 500 rupees for the night. I'm going to show you inside of the dining hall, and then behind me I'm going to show you our room. But this is not a bad setup. We decided instead of going to Langtang, which you can from Lama Hotel, but it's 1,000 meters in elevation, and we want to get climatized. Hope I'm saying that right. Before going up, you always want to go up like 300. Anyhow, 300 meters per day once you get over 3,000 meters. So we're at roughly 3,000 meters, and wait, what is this? And this is where we're staying. You may not be able to see waterfalls. It's 2 freaking waterfalls. I can actually hear the river, which you hear that? Right, just surrounded by nature. This is the ideal place to spend the night and also for lunch. Most trekkers will stop either at this property or there's another property right behind me. So we are staying right here. Let's go inside. Oh, all of this was filled today with trekkers just enjoying tea or their lunch. Actually, there was people here, a few trekkers just enjoying the sun, sunbathing. All right, let's go inside. See, it's the Hotel Tibetan. That's it. And this is what comes with the hotel. They say hotel, but it's more of a guest house or a tea house. Not so much a guest house. Right, let's go inside here and check out the bathrooms really quickly. All right, got that. Got Western toilet, but of course, fill that bucket with water and flush the toilet once you're done. Just close that up. And then to the right of the toilet, you've got your bucket shower. I was surprised, but they claim to have solar hot water, but that's yet to be confirmed. Our room has a great view. We're at the very end. We always love. So it's a huge lock. It's not overly big. 2 beds. We've got our sleeping bags already out. And there's a light. And there's a light switch over there. And what's really cool is that when we wake in the morning, do you see that? That's going to be our view. And there's going to be stars everywhere tonight. Hold on. And then we've got a waterfall. You may not be able to see it, but right there is a waterfall. And then there are hooks. So we've actually got trekking poles, jacket, my girlfriend's jacket, she's right outside. There's always a cameo and a bag. And I'm going to take you over to the dining hall. Let me show you that really quickly. They have a pretty large menu, surprisingly. More than likely, we're going to have Dal Bat for dinner. But come check out the chow hall or the dining hall. Namaste. Namaste. So this is it. Hey, namaste. YouTube.
Hey, man.
Yeah, there we go.
Man.
YouTube. So it's a pretty big dining hall, and I like that there's a freaking fireplace, wood burning, not yak burning.
No, this is wood burning stove.
So this is really
that
good.
really warms you people.
Wait. There we go. That's the man. That's our host. He's amazing. He's been good to me. Gotta say, he's been good to me. But this is me from the other side. It's a pretty comfortable. It was packed this afternoon. There was a lot of trekkers, which was really cool. People are outside and inside. Right? This is what you get at the Hotel Tibetan. 500 rupiah for the room. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit me up in the comment. Let me know what you think. Okay? All right. Peace, one love, and safe travels.